On the topic of the IRS Hardship Program, what if you're unemployed, have no income right now, and are already being faced with the eviction as such? Yeah, you sound like a great candidate for the IRS Hardship Program. I know, oftentimes in talking about the IRS Hardship Program, also known as currently non-collectible, aka CNC status, I tend to kind of present like, oh, this long-term angle of, hey, if you can stay in CNC status until your tax debt drops off, hey, it's even better than OIC. What do you know? If you can live with the tax lien. But there's the other side of the coin where, okay, this isn't about scheming and gaming and using the IRS procedures against them. This is about using the IRS hardship program in the way that it was arguably intended to be used when it was first instituted, which is for situations like this. You have a person who's unemployed, has no income, they're being faced with eviction. Okay, it is a sound argument to the IRS like, hey, I need a temporary pause on collections here. I can't pay you anything right now or in the foreseeable future. Maybe when I get back on my feet, I'll be able to deal with my tax debt. But for right now, I can't, and here's why. I have no money coming in. I have these expenses. Look, I'm getting evicted. Here's the eviction notice. That should be a slam dunk hardship case. Okay. And that's really, when we're talking about hardship, that's what we're talking about, right? We're saying that having to pay the IRS right now due to this situation in my life would cause me undue economic hardship. Therefore, IRS, I should not be required to pay you anything right now, and I should be protected from levy and garnishment. Okay, you won't necessarily be protected from the IRS filing a notice of federal tax lien against you. Okay, but that doesn't really hurt you immediately, right? That's not like a levy or a garnishment where the IRS is actively taking your money. Okay, but getting in hardship will protect you from those the IRS taking active collection activity, forced collection activity against you, aka taking your stuff. All right, folks, that was a great question. I have some other videos here on the left-hand side of the screen about the IRS Hardship Program, also known as currently non-collectible. Of course, if you owe the IRS or your state at least $10,000 of back taxes, give us a call here at Choice Tax Relief for your free consultation, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.